smartphone photography. Yeah, now seeing water drops. So beautiful. So I'm gonna go the pro mode or the manual mode. I'm a big fan of this mode. Here we get all control of focus, exposure, ISO, and so on. First of all, let's try to capture using the wide angle lens. Here we get the background blur by adjusting the focal length, only focusing on the object in the foreground. So it's a drop of water at the tip of that grass leaf. I got one photograph. Again, trying to get another better shot. Here I have zoomed it to 2.2x because the lens in particular has a certain focal length, so we only get the object within that focal length. The lighting conditions are optimal, so we don't need to switch it to manual ISO. Again, let's try the macro lens. Here we do have a 2 megapixel macro lens with 2 centimeter focal length.